Hey everyone, I'm here to show you how to take the scientific names and use those to find the sequence data that you need. So we're here in 6 periods. We're going to use a couple of these. The scientific names you can get pretty easily. Go ahead and copy and paste those off of this document. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the NCBI nucleotide search here. And we're going to go ahead and paste it in along with COX1, or the cytochrome oxidase subunit 1. And hopefully it can do a little search and come up with an answer for us. This one came up with a bunch. There's a bunch down here. But fortunately, it popped up right here at the top. So that's the one we're going to use. We can go ahead and click on that. And what we're looking for is just the cytochrome oxidase 1. It should be about 400 to 600 base pairs, something like that. Not in the thousands, and we're looking for a link that says FASTA, FASTA. So if you scroll down a little ways, you can see it's right here. We're going to click on FASTA, and that gives us the sequence data in the FASTA format. So here's our FASTA format. It includes a caret with a name, and then there's a paragraph return, and then just a whole bunch of letters beyond that. And we don't have to read it or write it down or anything like that. We can just copy it. In this case, we're going to copy it over to a blank document. This is just a purely blank document. It shouldn't have anything besides paragraph returns and spaces. So I can paste it in there. Boom. Okay, now I need to adjust the name. I'm going to zoom in a bit. So right now we don't want the name, the part after this caret, to be this thing. When we go ahead and put it in the program that does the tree building, it takes whatever the first string of characters are until it hits a space as the name. So right now the name is this NC_008545 thing. We don't want that. We want the name to be sus scrofa. So, and we don't care about these numbers anyway, because we're not the scientists who worked on it. In fact, we don't want it to be just sus. The genus name, we want it to be S. scrofa, just in case we have multiple, this is a pig by the way, multiple pig species. So we're going to change it to S. scrofa. So now the name that shows up in our tree when we build it will just be S. scrofa. And we can remember that's the pig. Cool. I got a couple more examples I want to show you too. We're going to try this, this rat. This is the brown rat. And we'll go back to here. Again, we can just paste it in here, type COX1. We'll see what comes up. Again, it has a cytochrome oxidase subunit 1. I also wanted to show you that sometimes it appears down here. Again, it should be 400 to 600-ish. This is a little bit longer, but that's fine. Here we can go directly to the FASTA format as well. So you could just click right there, and it instantly goes to the FASTA format for the rat. So we can copy that down. Again, we can pop it in here, boom, and then go ahead and fix it to be R or Vegicus. Okay, and then I'll do one more. We're going to do this one down here. COX1. In this one, there's only one possible result, so it just throws it up there. It doesn't even give you the option to click on it. It just says, hey, this is it. This is the one we got, which is fine. We got one. It's great. Here's the issue. If it ever says complete mitochondrial or complete mitochondrial genome, something like that, it's going to take the entire mitochondrial genome, which in this case is set somewhere probably. It's about, oh, right here. It is 16,595. It is way bigger than we want. So we want to zoom in on just the cytochrome oxidase 1 subunit. I could scroll down and look for it. Another handy little cheat is I can hit Control F and then just type COX1 and it should take me right there. Boom, COX1. And then I hit the little CDS tab on the side there. You can also get it just by scrolling down a little ways and keep an eye out for this cytochrome oxidase subunit 1 or COX1. And I hit CDS, and then it pops up here with the amino acid sequence. We don't want the amino acid sequence, we want the FASTA sequence. So I'm going to click there, and that gives it to me right there. And we're going to copy that. Easy. Bring the tabs back up. And I'm going to paste that in here. Again, nothing but paragraph returns and spaces. All right, now I'm ready to go. I'm formatted and ready to move on to the next step.